Are you terrified to even glance at your cholesterol levels? Well, don't sweat it, we've got the lowdown for you. Cholesterol isn't just a bad guy lurking in your bloodstream. In fact, it's a ride or die for your cells, helping build them up and even producing certain hormones. But here's the kicker. There's both good and bad cholesterol. Good cholesterol, or HDL, is like the sanitation crew, sweeping away excess cholesterol and taking it to your liver for disposal. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, on the other hand, is the party crasher, clogging up your arteries and causing all sorts of trouble. So, how can you keep your cholesterol levels in check? Simple lifestyle changes like eating more veggies, cutting down on saturated fats, and getting off your couch for some exercise can make a world of difference. Want to dive deeper into health hacks? Smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and share this video with your friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy.